Hey, good morning to Coffee with Electricians, Apprentice Edition. Hey, good morning, apprentices and helpers. Those of you that are looking to get into the electrical trade, you've come to the right place. I am Jeff, the 360 electrician, and I'm here to always help you level up in the trade and your electrical contracting business. I want to take 2 minutes and talk to you apprentices and helpers and those of you that are looking to get into the trade. But wait, if you're already an electrical contractor, you want to listen to this because these are the traits I am looking for when I hire apprentices and helpers. Apprentices and helpers, first things first. I believe that the economy is going to start taking a downturn. That's going to ensure that there's going to be a lot more jobs that are going to be lost. So it's a really hard time right now in this next several months to try to land a job. I'm already getting reports from all over the place, been in this game for 16 years, that people are losing their jobs, projects are getting canceled, and you guys know it. Housing is going to crash with these interest rates going up. That's a whole other subject. I don't want to get into that, but what I do want to get into is if you are just getting into the trade, it could still be an awesome time for you. These are the 3 tips I have for you to try to land your job, and if you're already working, how to keep it. Number 1, you have to be the code guru or the software guru or the low voltage guru. Whatever your company is doing, you want to do things that the rest of the journeymen and the masters are not doing. What do I mean by that? I want you to stop getting on TikTok and flipping through and wasting your time. I want you to get serious. I want you to get that code book. I want you to open it and I want you to start studying it. I want you to go to Ryan Jackson's website, which I'm going to go ahead and click the link right over here for you. Go see Ryan Jackson and learn the code. I want you to be a walking code book, therefore that you can be reliable on the field and you're going to be an asset as these times turn. Number 2, I want you to learn software. What kind of software is your company using to run its business? Are they using software? If you're working for a small company with only a few people, why don't you go and watch my video? Again, I'll try to click the card here if I can do multiple. Watch the video I just did about software. Get hooked up with an electrical service software company. Do the free trial with your alias email. Learn it and talk to your boss and say, hey man, I think we can level up. I think I can do this, or I want to run a little bit of the back end. Number 3, you guys, this is probably the best advice I can give you. Tip number 3 is do more even if you get less. Make sure you take an extra half an hour and get into the warehouse and clean it. Or one of the vans, get in the morning instead of BSing, drinking your coffee like we are now. Well, drink your coffee with me, but stop drinking your coffee, get into the service vans and clean them up. Why don't you go into the service vans or when you're at the job site, get a clipboard and write down what you guys need to restock in the van. These are all things that are going to help you level up. Subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I don't bring you videos like this. I give you advice, you give me subscriptions. Deal? We'll see you on the next one.